Hey there, it's Brittany and I am back with the September BohemStyle box. So this is a newer one to my channel, and this box is aimed at making a specific set of jewelry. So if you're looking to maybe get your mojo back, these are really great kits. I really enjoyed making the last two jewelry pieces. So I did August and July, and you can find those on my channel. I posted pictures of them in the last August box, but it's all Czech glass beads straight from the Czech Republic. And they give you the items to make specific projects. So this one, and it looks like it's small amounts, but it's specifically to make the exact project. They give you a link to the project, and the video instructions are phenomenal. And it was so easy, and I kind of just took my time and had fun making jewelry following somebody else's tutorial, which I never do. So it was really fun. So we have some crimp tubes, we have some wire, some clasps, a big jump ring. I haven't looked to see what the project is yet. Oh, some little butterflies, cute little butterfly charms, one ball head pin, some little Czech glass cubes. These are teeny tiny. I think these are 4mm, and they look like they're white with a Picasso finish on them. And then we have some more jump rings. In one of the last projects, I learned how to make some chain out of Czech glass beads and jump rings. It was pretty awesome. Some little, no, these aren't seed beads. These are drucks. They're little red drucks. That's an interesting color. This is like a 4 seasons charm. Okay, so we have a little snowflake, a tree, I don't know what that is, a flower bud maybe coming up, and then a sun. So that's not really like the order that I would think of for seasons, like winter, fall, spring, summer. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Some of those the same color combos, some white with like a Picasso on the outside, but little rondelles. Ooh, these are yummy. I love me a melon bead. Gotta tell you, I love me a Czech melon bead. These are blue luster with some kind of finish on them too. These are yummy. These are about 6mm, I wanna say. I can't wait to see what the project is. Honestly, I might change out the pendant though, because it's just, I love summer, I love spring. The other two, not a big fan. This is yummy. That's a yummy melon bead. So same concept, just a different color. It's got that same almost pearly metallic finish on it. Ooh, more melons in that creamy color. So it's like a white with a yellowy Picasso wash on it. I dropped one, and I gotta pick it up because they use all the beads. For the most part, they use all the beads in these projects. I found it, by the way. Oh, wow, a yummy melon. I'm guessing that's what the one ball head pin is for. So that's yummy. I don't know how many times we're gonna say yummy today. We can count. And then some more melons. These are a little bit larger. These are I wanna say 8mm. Green with a gold or copper wash, I can't tell. More of the 8mm, so that same buttery color. You know, I'm loving that. It's gonna be an interesting colorway. And then more larger ones. So we've got green in 6 and 8, blue in 6 and 8, and the cream in 6 and 8mm. So that's what's in this box. I will be making the jewelry piece, but I don't know when that'll be, so hopefully I can put pictures of it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to subscribe to BohemStyle, check out the links in the description. Those are affiliate links. They help my channel. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Super duper cute. Bye-bye. Hi, bud. Is mommy bothering you? Yeah, is that all I do? Is bother you? Hi, cutie. Hi.